The business world is changing. A new era is upon us. We are seeing the rise of employee-less businesses. This is an exciting development. It's transforming how we think about work. It's reshaping industries across the board. This is a significant shift. It's worth paying attention to. But before we dive in, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. It would help me out. Also, please like and comment below. Thanks. The rise of employee-less businesses is powered by technology. The internet has played a crucial role. It has connected the world in unprecedented ways. This has created new possibilities for businesses. It has enabled remote work. It has facilitated global collaboration. Artificial intelligence is another key driver. AI is transforming industries. It's automating tasks. It's improving efficiency. It's also creating new opportunities for innovation. AI is becoming increasingly sophisticated. It is learning to perform complex tasks. These technological advancements are making employee-less businesses possible. They are providing the tools and infrastructure needed to operate without traditional employees. They are enabling businesses to automate processes. They are also allowing businesses to scale rapidly. The convergence of AI and the internet is creating a powerful force. This force is driving the employee-less business revolution. It is changing the way we work. It is also changing the way we live. This is a transformative period. It's full of potential. Employee-less businesses offer significant advantages. One of the most notable is increased profitability. By eliminating traditional employee costs, these businesses can significantly reduce overhead. This leads to higher profit margins. This also allows for greater reinvestment in growth. Efficiency is another key benefit. Automated processes streamline operations. This reduces time wasted on repetitive tasks. It also minimizes human error. This leads to faster turnaround times. It also improves overall productivity. These businesses are also more agile. They can adapt quickly to changing market conditions. They can scale up or down with ease. This flexibility is a major advantage in today's dynamic business environment. It allows them to stay ahead of the competition. The combination of profitability, efficiency, and agility makes the employee-less model highly attractive. It is a compelling alternative to traditional business structures. It is a model that is poised for continued growth. It's a model that's changing the game. Onpassive, a pioneer in the employee-less landscape. Onpassive is an employee-less business leveraging AI. It revolutionizes digital marketing with automated tools. These tools help businesses grow and reach new customers. Operating with minimal workforce, its operations are automated. This allows competitive pricing and rapid scaling. Onpassive is a testament to the employee-less model, a true pioneer in this new business era. Section 5. Embracing the future. Don't miss the employee-less movement. The employee-less business movement is gaining momentum. It is transforming industries. It is creating new opportunities. It is also presenting new challenges. It's important to stay informed about this trend. Don't be left behind. Embrace the future of work. Explore the possibilities of the employee-less model. This is a chance to be part of something big. This is an opportunity to reshape the business world. This movement is not just about technology, it's also about people. It's about empowering individuals. It's about creating a more equitable and efficient future. It's about unlocking human potential. The employee-less movement is an invitation to innovate. It is a call to action. It is a chance to create a better future for all. Don't miss out on this transformative opportunity. Section 6. A vision of tomorrow. The expanding horizon of employee-less ventures. The future of employee-less businesses is bright. This model is poised for continued growth. It is likely to become even more prevalent in the years to come. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we work. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for employee-less businesses will expand. We can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI and the internet. This will lead to new business models. It will also create new opportunities. The employee-less model is not without its challenges. There are important considerations to address. These include ethical implications and societal impacts. It's crucial to navigate these challenges responsibly. However, the potential benefits of this model are significant. It has the power to create a more efficient, profitable, and equitable future of work. It's a future worth embracing. It's a future worth building. For more information about Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.